Hi guys! Eden here of Try Ko Lang Recipes, and for today, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko gumawa ng homemade pancakes. Now, this is very quick and easy pancake recipes na kayang-kaya nyo gawin. Also, for the ingredients, this makes 11 servings, so feel free to reduce the portion of each measurement, like half-half, kung kaunti lang naman kayo. So, here are the ingredients. So before we start guys, as always say, please subscribe to my channel, Try Ko Lang Recipes for more breakfast recipes, and paklik na rin yung notification bell na yan para ma-notify ka kapag may bagong upload na video. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share this video as well to your friends and family. So without further ado, simulan natin gawin itong homemade pancakes.